You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. Is the U.S. Supreme Court where challenges to racial gerrymandering go to die? In 2 months, the court refused congressional racial gerrymandering cases from Kansas and Mississippi, and we await decisions in Alabama and North Carolina cases. Nothing less than the voting power of Black Americans is at stake. Kansas legislators split Metro Kansas City into different districts to dilute African American voting power. Voters and democracy groups sued under the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause, lost in the Kansas Supreme Court, and now have reached a dead end at the U.S. Supreme Court. In February, SCOTUS declined a Mississippi case where districts were gerrymandered to deprive African American voters of adequate representation. In a state over 41% black, only 1 in 5 Mississippi congressional districts was a majority black district. 2 racial gerrymandered cases, which were heard by the High Court, are still pending. Merrill v. Milligan challenges maps in Alabama under the Voting Rights Act, where the legislature should have drawn 2 majority black districts but didn't, claiming redistricting should be race-blind. A reconsideration in North Carolina may make Moore v. Harper moot, but observers think Alabama's gerrymandering is likely to be upheld, opening the door to even more manipulated maps nationwide. We have links to articles and groups taking action at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. Miss yesterday's minute? Ask your smart speaker to play the American Democracy Minute. I'm Brian Beal.